Hello there, subscribers, and welcome back to a new episode of Suffered and Cypher's channel. Today we have INDOMINUS Rexes because we have the a new variant, and let's go check it out. Could be outside already, so let's go check it out. Okay. Yeah, there it is. Let's go grab it. Okay. Alright, we got our box here. Let's drag it in. Alright. Let's go check it out. Alright, we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna be unboxing it. While I'm unboxing this, I'd like to say thank you for the support. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and that like button. Alright. 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 Check the other side. Alright. Let's see what kind of INDOMINUS we have here. Sci-Fi can't wait, she's right there standing. Alright. Let's check it out. Wait to see what we have in here. They threw a lot of. Uh-oh. What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? And there, we have the variant INDOMINUS REX. Yes, we finally have it. There you go. We have 3 of them now. Still works. There you go. You see the battle damage right there? There you go. You push that button here. Turns. It's pretty much the same size as this one, as the Dino rival. I believe this is a Dino escape. Let's check the other side. Alright, there it is. Yep. This is a Walmart exclusive. I think it's a different sound as this guy. Yeah, different. Alright, so we bought it secondhand. Because it's been like, this came out like a couple of years ago that they discontinued it at Walmart. They don't sell it anymore. But we finally found it. We found it at a cheaper price. I'm so happy they didn't scalp it. Bought it like just for 29 bucks plus shipping. But not bad though. The only thing here is, let's see if DNA scans up. There it is. It's almost the same as the Dino rival INDOMINUS. It's just like they just updated here. They just decided to give it battle damage. So the arms doesn't move on this guy because the Dino rival moves. So here you go. This one actually, it's for the ribs. There you go, with sound. There you go. So those are the difference. And we have our Dino escape INDOMINUS here, camouflage. There you go. It's actually quite smaller than this too. So yeah, that's our INDOMINUS for today. We finally have it already.
Mama, look at Tata.
And we just finished our new hybrid, our custom hybrid today. I'm gonna show you a sneak peek. That's for our next video. Oh, I see. Okay. So let's check them out first. You can see that for Dino rival. This one doesn't have. It's just close. There's no hole in there. All right. Now for the Dino escape. Here you go. Now we go to our next video. Here's a sneak peek of our Stegurus. I still don't know what to call him, but that's it for now. Yep, next video is this guy. I'll tell you what's it made of. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. We finally have 3 INDOMINUS. 3 variants of them. So yeah, cool. So happy we have this guy now. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, guys. Thanks again. Have a great evening. Bye.